Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add music on Instagram post with multiple photos. Let's launch the Instagram app first and click on the lower center of the screen where is the plus sign. You want to click on it and let's select the multiple photos. The small tip over here how you can actually select the multiple photos is to click on the double square on the lower right corner. I'm gonna click, so now you're gonna see. You see, with it we can actually select multiple photos and you can actually create a carousel post. Let's select these two and let's proceed with next. You can select multiple videos, you can select multiple photos, it's up on you. The next step of course will be to select the music. On the upper center of the screen you will see the small note icon. You click on it. First what will pop up will be what is currently trending. This is like the For You page. For depending on the season, are there any particular celebrations, events, something related to the music. This is why we're seeing so much Christmas songs, so much holiday songs. If you don't want to go about what is trending and you want to look for more generic outlook by genre, you gotta click on browse, the section next to it. Now if you go on browse you can find, everything is kind of filtered by birthday celebrations, R&B, soul, pop, hip hop, and different genres over here. But if you know exactly what you're looking for, you want to head to the top where it says search music over here. You can simply search for the song, or you want to search for the artist, find it, and then you want to click on the right side and click add. This is how you add song on post with multiple images. As you can see over here, you can simply add additional photo or video from here. You don't have to go back if you miss to add a particular image. Also, there are a couple of simple filters beneath. You can see. I would say this is like more like a vintage look, nothing crazy. Then you can simply press next, and you can proceed with the usual, metadata, title, hashtags, a couple of sentence explanation. You can also tag people over here, but I will leave this detailed explanation for another video. Last but not least, if you decide to change the song and you're already here on the last step right before posting, you can change the song from here, from this particular menu. You see where it says add music. You can change the song from here. When you press add songs, you're gonna pick a new song and you're gonna replace the previous one. Then you can simply click share and you're good to go. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.